So the following video is going to show you how to connect the various components to the timing system console. I'm going to show you the on-off switch. I'm going to show you how to connect the scoreboard to the console, how to connect the power for the console to the console, how to connect the console to the computer that holds the meet management program. I'm going to show you how to connect the harness for both a short course meet, where pads are at one end of the pool, or a long course meet where we might have pads at both ends of the pool. And finally, I'm going to show you how to connect the printer to the console so that the results of each race are printed out. Okay, first, the on-off switch. This is all the way on the left-hand side. It's an on-off switch. It toggles on and off. Pretty simple to use. Okay, next. Next, this is the RCA or single banana plug that's used to connect the scoreboard to the timing system console. It's a single plug, and it goes into the hole that's right below the on-off switch. Next, this is how you connect the power to the console. The other end of this is connected to an outlet, and this is for the power plug. Note that the Colorado does have battery backup in case of a power failure, but usually we run meets on power. Okay, next, this is a serial connector that is used to connect the computer that houses the meet management program with the timing system console. On the other end of this is a USB outlet that connects onto the computer. And this goes into the first port that you see there on the left. Okay, next, these two big connectors connect the harness. This is set up for a short course meet, so we only have a harness at one end of the pool. We actually run two harnesses, and that's why there are two connectors. This enables us to use both pads and buttons. So they connect in, and there are clips on the outside that are used to hold it in place. To the right of this, you see the two red covers. Those are for the far end. So during a long course meet, or when we use pads at both ends of the pool, we would be using these as well. Note, it doesn't matter which is on top and which is on bottom, as long as they're both coming from the same end of the pool. Finally, this is a USB connector that connects the printer for the timing system console to the timing system console. So at the end of every race, there's an automatic printout. Well, you generated a printout of the race results. And that's basically how you connect the various components to the timing system console. There are some other outlets here that we just don't use.